Installing a door sweep is very similar to installing a door weather strip. The only difference is the weather strip goes on the exterior part of the door. The door sweep goes on the inside of the door. When installing a door sweep and measuring for that door sweep, you want to make sure that you cut a little bit off at each end so we don't lose our holes. So measure your door and measure your door sweep. Cut equal amounts off each end of the door sweep. So remember to measure twice and cut once. Now slide your door sweep down past your mark. Now we can cut the metal with a hacksaw, and then when we're ready we can cut our door sweep rubber with a pair of scissors. Now a little tip here. You can cut through the channel here and you either finish your job all the way through with your hacksaw, or you can just cut through the channel and you can finish your cut with a pair of snips. Clean up your edges with your file. Now we're to the point where we can actually cut the rubber portion of the door sweep. The door sweep is all trimmed, and now we're ready to place it against the door. Make sure that you put the flap side of the door sweep towards the door. Rest it along the floor, but don't push down too tight. And mark your holes. Place your screws, starting from the center, working your way out, in the middle of the slotted hole to allow room for adjusting. Now we can come back and adjust by pushing down just a little bit with a little bit of pressure against the floor and tighten your screws. So now we have a nice even pressure against the floor, keeping the heat in the winter.